Hey guys, it's me again, Eric, and today we just received another box from Thomann Music in Germany. Once again, we're in the Philippines here, and we've been ordering some Harley Benton guitars from Thomann for a little while now. I've got a few, but this is the latest one. This is a JA60, Harley Benton JA60. It's their Jazzmaster rendition, I guess you could say. And we're going to go ahead and open it up. So this is more of an unboxing video than a demo video. I don't really do demo videos. I don't know, there's just too many assholes on YouTube that like to criticize and just say mean things, and I'd rather not be a part of that. But I will show you what we have here today, if I'm opening this correctly, I hope. Like I said, this is a Harley Benton JA60. I bought it in the, or I ordered it in the Sunburst finish. I'm kind of have a thing for Sunburst guitars, I guess. I was almost going to buy the silver one, but decided at the last minute I think the Sunburst will be more my style. So, as you can see, Thomann sends out their guitars double boxed.
Yeah.
Inside of, the guitar's inside a small box goes inside the big box. Yada yada, all that good stuff. So it's pretty well packed. This is your standard order, as in it's not a B stock. I don't know if I mentioned on the last video when we got the SC450 Plus Lemon Drop, basically Les Paul style guitar. That was a B stock. That's on my last video. And this one's a regular non-B stock, just a regular full price purchase, I guess you could say. So this is it. This is the first unboxing. So we kind of do this for two reasons. One, to put it out there on YouTube if anybody's interested in watching it. And two, to document what we have coming out of the box right away upon receipt, in case there's something wrong with it or whatnot. So we'll pull it out of the box, we'll unwrap it, and we'll kind of try to do some close-ups with the camera and show you what to expect if you plan on buying this guitar. We got those little bad boys. Those are good, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Tasty little. What do you call them things again?
The silicone.
Yeah, there's a name for it. I can't remember right off the top of my head.
For drying.
You notice also when you're making videos, if you've ever done it before, sometimes you kind of have a brain fart and not remember the words that you want to articulate something with, and then after you're done making the video, it's like, oh, that's right, that's what I meant to say. Duh. So sometimes just gotta relax.
Relax your mind.
Relax your mind.
Not too excited.
Don't get excited. Chill out. Oh, okay. So, anyways.
Otherwise, you will have.
Anyways, yeah. Otherwise, you say stupid shit, and later on, be like, "What the heck was I saying?" Okay, yeah, that looks pretty good. Want to do a close-up on that?
Sure.
Yeah. I'm not expecting much in terms of nice wood grain. I mean, these are poplar body guitars. It's not like a nice sweet piece of ash wood, but still, yeah, it looks pretty damn good from what I can see so far. Let's go ahead and peel this out of there. Nice to put a little added protection here. So I believe it's an Indian Laurel fretboard, which is pretty much common nowadays. I thought they were bringing rosewood back, but apparently not yet. So Yeah, to get under the light.
Okay.
Pull this out. Yeah, she looks pretty good.
Okay, hold it.
Hold her steady. Okay. You're not, is that going to focus that close?
Yeah. To show them pieces.
Yeah.
To the end of her.
Yeah. Has that nice Harley Benton roasted maple neck. I like that. That's just, to me, it's just really a nice added touch. A lot of people complain about the tuners on these guitars, and I've never ever had any problems with these tuners. Oh yeah, she's lightweight. Very light. And then, you know, I wasn't really crazy about the stop bar tailpiece on a Jazzmaster style guitar, so I just got this in, I think, yesterday, day before. And this will be the, we'll go ahead and put this on here. Yeah, right there. And so we'll remove this tailpiece here, and we'll put in the tremolo arm, and also the bridge. I ordered another bridge with rollers, so it'll have a lot less friction as these strings are kind of, you know, going back and forth.
Okay.
But yeah, that's it. I can't see anything wrong with it yet, and if there is, I'm pretty darn good at working on guitars, so we shouldn't have any issues, shouldn't have any problems. The string height even looks pretty good. Way out of tune, we'll take care of that. So yeah, that's it. The Harley Benton JA60 Jazzmaster style guitar at Thomann Music. I think this one, oh gosh, probably right around, oh God, what are they, about 153 euros? Something like that. I think US dollars with shipping and everything was right around 218, I think. Something like that. I'd have to look, but I'm close. So
now you have 3 Jazzmaster.
yeah, I got the Squire Classic Vibe Jazzmaster. I've got that Tajima Wannabe Jazzmaster, which is pretty nice. In Fiesta Red, I really like that color. I didn't have a Sunburst in this style guitar. I just have the Sonic Blue Squire, the Fiesta Red Tajima, and now I've got the Sunburst Harley Benton. All budget friendly guitars. That's pretty much what I deal with these days. I can't really see myself spending a ton of money on one single guitar, especially at my age. And then plus I'm more than happy with what we have here. So knobs feel solid, switches rather. Potentiometers feel smooth. Yeah. I don't know. Let's hope we don't find anything, but for now, it looks good. So, once again, JA60, Harley Benton. Thanks, guys. See you again soon. Bye-bye.